Congratulations for taking the Post Filter and Mad Ader Partner Program. I know you're going to love it. And like I told you in the last video, I am going to offer you now one more very unique opportunity. And this opportunity allows you for a very, very, very low cost to actually become the CEO of your very own SaaS software company. Now, I've spent with my company lots of time and money building both of these actual softwares, and you don't have to do that. So it's taken me a lot of money. It's taken me a lot of time to professionally build and design and launch these actual softwares and to actually build the backend portal QB. But you don't have to spend near as much money. You don't have to spend any time. With literally a click of one button, you can become the very own CEO of your SaaS software company. So if you take this offer for the super low price that's actually listed below, what you're going to get is you're going to get your own white labeled version of Post Filter. You put your logo there, you pick your name. We actually help you launch it to the Google Chrome store. So you have your very own version of the software under your brand, and you're going to get the same white label version of Mad Ader. So you're going to get two complete white label softwares for one super low price. You're going to get to white label Post Filter, and you're going to get to white label the Mad Ader. Both of those softwares will be launched under your brand, under your logo, where you'll have unlimited accounts. You'll be the CEO of your very own software company, and you can even start your own partner program to make an offer just like I made you on the last page. So again, if you're interested in this, this is limited. I'm not going to offer this to everybody forever. So if you're interested, just go ahead and click the button below. And like I said, you're going to get access to a QB CEO account. Now, this is an account that I normally sell on its own just for $297 a month, because it allows you to create your own Google Chrome extensions with just a click of a button. So you're going to get access to a QB CEO account. You'll find your white labeled software in there. You just click a button and go through a very simple white label process, and you'll get your version of the extension that you can actually then upload to the Chrome store. It's very easy. You'll be able to have unlimited users in your white labeled software, and you'll be able to actually create unlimited partners where you can offer your own partner program just like I did. So again, you can see that this is a ridiculously low amount of money for this opportunity for you to actually become a CEO of your very own SaaS software company. So if you're interested in the white label opportunity, go ahead and click the button that you're interested. If you're not interested in becoming the CEO of your very own software company and building up your own residual passive income streams and having your own branded software branded to you launched, then just click the button that you're not interested in it, but you will not be offered this again later.